This is where high-strength steel parts are stamped with extreme precision, creating the structural pieces that give the new 4Runner its strength, durability, and production accuracy. This stage is where the 6th-generation Toyota 4Runner SUV gets much of its structural strength, as hundreds of precise welds lock the body shell together with the accuracy needed for durability, safety, and long-term performance. Short direct line connected via Exactech seam. Before paint, every hidden seam is protected because real durability starts beneath the surface. This clear layer gives the 4Runner its shine, depth, and long-term paint protection.
Scanning the crank. Staging
This driveline precision is what turns engine power into controlled, dependable motion.
Starting spin for measurement. Readings are in, making correction. Send it outbound.
Every module arrives in sequence, so final assembly never has to slow down.
Clear for next station.
Before the cabin looks finished, the hidden systems must be routed perfectly.
Alignment sensors attached, initiating wheel rotation. Steering angle test commencing, monitor for drift. Brake and suspension checks complete. All parameters are within spec.
All right, bring her down nice and easy.
Got it.
Wrappings off the hood. Perfect. Let's get her into position. Looks good. Ready for display.
This is the all-new 2025 4Runner. Take a look inside.
Wow, the interior looks amazing.
Has a digital dash and the latest tech. The 2025 4Runner has an amazing new infotainment system.
It's so intuitive. Can I adjust the seat?
Of course, and these terrain controls are perfect for off-roading.
Wow. What about space in the back?
Great back here.
All right, that's the final signature. And here are your keys.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're all set. Enjoy the new 4Runner.
I will. Thanks again.